In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Amazon Music language. Amazon Music usually follows the language that's set on your main Amazon account, or sometimes your device, so the quickest way to make the app switch languages is to update your Amazon language settings first. Here's how to do that. Open the Amazon app or go to the Amazon website. Look for the main menu, the three-line icon, and open Settings. Find Country and Language, then choose the language you prefer. Once you've made your selection, close and reopen Amazon Music to apply the change. A quick restart helps the app pull in your updated account settings, and you should see menus, buttons, and labels appear in the new language. This approach works well if you use Amazon Music on phones or tablets, since those apps tend to mirror whatever your Amazon account is set to. If you use Amazon Music on a computer, either in a web browser or in the desktop app, you can set the display language directly inside the player. Open Amazon Music, then click your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Look for an option called Change Display Language, or sometimes Manage Language. Select your preferred language and save. The interface will usually refresh right away. If not, a quick page refresh or relaunch of the desktop app will load the new language across menus and navigation. A few helpful things to keep in mind. The languages you can choose from depend on your region or country, so you may not see every language everywhere. Changing the language only affects how the app and website interface look. It won't change your playlists, your music library, or your recommendations. Your songs, albums, and artists will stay exactly the same. Also, certain content such as track titles, album names, or lyrics may remain in their original language, since those are provided by the music publishers and aren't always localized. If your language doesn't seem to switch right away, give it a moment and relaunch the app to let the changes take effect. It also helps to make sure you're signed in to the same Amazon account in both Amazon and Amazon Music, so the settings line up correctly across devices. That's all you need to change the language on Amazon Music, whether you prefer to adjust it from your Amazon account or directly in the player on your computer. Follow these steps, and you'll have the interface in the language you want in just a few moments.